Hello, Ma'am Sir. I'm Maribeth Balanggi Alejandro, 28 years of age. I'm married. I have a child, a boy, 5 years old. I'm a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at Cagayan State University, Carig Campus. We are 8 siblings in the family. I have 2 brothers and I have 5 sisters. I am the 6th child in the family. I work in Kuwait for almost 2 years and 7 months. I serve 5 members in the family, and sometimes I took good care of their grandchild. My responsibilities are cooking, cleaning their house, washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, assisting them of what they need, and while taking care of their grandchild, I'm singing. Square and circle, triangle, triangle, rectangle, oval, heart and star. Mom, sir, please hire me as your domestic worker, and I will do all my duties. Thank you and God bless.